pwede babae, pwede lalaki. But, sa to know, sa Pilipinas, the priority is the female lamsa. Because this HPV is the bacteria or the virus na makakos ng cervical cancer among women. So, manang i-priority yun ang mga female grade 4 students. For our school-based immunization, accomplishment report for this year, August na, recently